My name's Seth and welcome back for another video. In this one we are going to design the joint, which is not a very hard part to do, but we only need to respect dimensions. So let's start immediately by creating a new file and let's create a part design. Let's select the front plane, change the view, and let's begin the sketch immediately. So the form that we need, oh, I forgot about selecting the sketch front plane. Good. So first we need to know the feature that we are going to use. So the feature that we are going to use is the revolved base. So let's begin our sketching. First we need some center lines. Good. We need another one here. And let's dimension the center line to give the general dimensioning of our form. So here we have 16.5. As I always do, I will create the form first and then I will start dimensioning. So follow me while creating the lines, and after that we will dimension the whole form. So let's go. Good, now we have the form, so let's start our dimensioning. Perfect, that's all the dimensions that we need. Now we can exit the sketch, and now we will use the revolve balls function or feature. The axis of revolution should be this one, and then click OK. Here we go, we have the form that we need on the joint. So let's select this face, change the view, the other one, good. Select the sketch and let's create a circle. The diameter of the circle should be 34, and let's make it for construction. So scroll down, exit the dimension first, select your circle and let's make it for construction. Nice. Now we need some center lines. The first center line should be vertical. I need a second one. A little bit inclined. I need a third one. Exactly as we did on the second cover. So I will select this point and this one along with the center line to be symmetric, and the angle between this center line and this one should be 35.28. Good. Now we need some 3-point arcs. So let's select the 3-point arc. The first one should be from this point to this one, and the third point is on this circle. I need a second one, and make sure your point that you select is the intersection between this center line and the circle that we made for construction. So make sure it is the right intersection. So let's select this point here and this one, and the third point should be on this circle. Now we need two lines. The first line is here and second one is here. Perfect. So let's exit the sketch and let's use a extruded boss. The extruded boss should be 13, the depth should be 13, and let's make it blind. There you go. Now we have the exact form of the teeth. Now we need a chamfer on these two edges of the teeth, and let's click on the chamfer, and the distance here 2.5. Click OK, and now we have two beautiful chamfers. Now we need to repeat this teeth around the joint. So let's select the circular pattern. The features to repeat are the boss extrude and the chamfer. The instances should be 6 and the direction should be this edge. Click OK, and here we have the perfect teeth that we need. Now let's add some chamfers behind here. So I will select this edge and this one and this one to have a chamfer with 1 unit distance. Now I will select this face and let's create a fillet with 1 unit radius and click OK. And here we go, we have the full joint that we need. The last thing that we are going to do is let's change the color of the joint and let's make it black. Okay, and there you go, we have the perfect joint that we need. In the next video we are going to create the first gear, so see you on the next video and peace out.